Hey there, let's create the Give Thanks porch pot kit today. We're going to use our tallest items first, and these tall stems are going to be placed at the back of the pot. This is a 12-inch diameter pot. This is my demo pot with styrofoam. If you were working at home, you could use your pot from the summer season. Just cut off all of the dead plants and leave the roots intact because you're going to want a nice sturdy base to support these tall stems, and you don't want to loosen up the dirt. So as I place these two as the background, they're going at the back of the pot and they're pretty much centered. The extra thing that will share the space in the center will be cattails. So that's going to give it the fall flair. You're going to get about 7 or 8 cattails. They are dried and they have nice sturdy stems. I think they look best kind of in a cluster up there, not too far fanned out because they don't show up very well from the street if they're not in a group. Then with some of the extra height that we need, we're using our sunflower bush for strong color. It's kind of a lemony sunflower, and that is going to be offset to the left, but I'm going to make sure I take one piece and bend him down towards the right. We need to spread that yellow color out a little bit. And then to fill in the pot on the left, we're using this boxwood bush. Shape that up a little bit, separate all the stems. Make sure you give it a little bit of a bend because it avoids looking stiff and stick straight if you bend the stems a bit. And that is going to fill out the left side of the pot along with this really fun outdoor weatherproof berry in the cream color. And if you love our Give Thanks collection, you'll notice that this is a very muted collection. It's not based on strong colors. They're a little bit more muted, so we use a lot of the Dusty Miller. That comes in that gray-green color. And then the blues, and that's what's been the key for this look is the blue tones. So we're using this little teal pom-pom spray off to the right, and he's sharing the space with the Dusty Miller on the right side. And then for an accent in the front, you're going to get this fun blue pumpkin with a stem. And that stem is going to allow you to insert that guy front and center. And now you can see why the yellow needed to flare out over to the right because your pumpkin is going to be framed by the yellow sunflower. So we're just shaping a little bit to nestle him in there. And now you've got a bright and cheerful Give Thanks porch pot.